So for today's video, we're going to identify sets, such as the ones you see here. So let's go ahead and take a look at that now. A set is a collection of objects that go together, such as this tea set here. A dozen roses is also another set that you can identify with. The objects that belong to a set are called elements, such as this salad here. You can see there are many elements that make up a salad here if you're going to eat something like this. So can you guess what this set is here? Now take a look at it carefully. Yes, it's crayons. I guess you can say colors too. I would be okay with that. What about this set? What does this set look like to you? Yeah, it could be either the alphabet, or you can also say they're letters as well. What about this set? What does this look like to you here? What's happening in this set? Yeah, they're just fish. And in this set here, what does this look like to you here? Take a look at the picture carefully, and what do you think this set is? Yeah, it's houses or homes. I guess you can also say, you can say neighborhood as well. That would all be considered like a set. So for the bonus activity, I just want you to draw 4 different sets of things similar to what I just showed you here, but don't do the exact same ones, please. So that's today's video, and I just wanted to show you different examples of different types of sets and kind of give you a little more idea of what you can do to identify these sets. Okay, so that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. And I look forward to seeing you for my next video.